The Megalodon, a behemoth of the ancient seas, wasn't just a predator, it was an ecosystem engineer. Let's dive into how this colossal shark influenced marine life around it. Megalodon's diet was diverse, preying on whales, seals, and giant turtles. This apex predator's choices cascaded down, shaping the evolutionary paths of countless species. Its hunting strategy and sheer size forced prey to adapt or perish. Some evolved sleeker bodies for swift escape, others grew in size for better defense. The ancient seas were a theater of life and death, with Megalodon as the director. Its absence reshaped the marine food web, leaving room for new players to rise. Today's sharks play vital roles in maintaining healthy oceans, but their impact pales in comparison to the Megalodon's ancient reign. The legacy of the Megalodon lives on, not just in fossil records, but in the blueprints of marine life and the ecosystems they inhabit. The ancient predator's echo can still be felt in every wave.